All right, so we are heading out to the airport because we're gonna be going to do some research and development for the holidays in Utah, Park City, Utah. So definitely stay tuned because we're gonna be actually doing some snowboarding for the first time. Isabel's gonna kill it on the slopes.
That's right. Kill it on the slopes.
So we are prepared. We got all our equipment. We got our GoPro. What else we got? Our boots. All right, so we're prepared. We're from Florida, so we're not used to the cold. About to onboard our jet. Super excited. Should be a great flight. All right, you guys, so pray for us. We're gonna be going snowboarding on the mountains. We appreciate all the prayers that we can get. Hope you have happy holidays and come see us on the slopes. And we're off. Park City, here we come. Welcome to Utah. Park City, Salt Lake City, here we come.